I was born with a condition called osteogenesis imperfecta. It's a genetic disease and it caused my bones to be very brittle. I will break frequently, like people would tap me and I would break. By age 18, I broke over 200 times. Growing up, I never saw anyone that looked like me on any platform. I do run into adults, sometimes older than me, that look at me like I'm strange or just kind of be rude. And that's kind of just comes with the territory and you get used to it, unfortunately. I try not to let it dampen me because it just happens so much that if you did, I feel like I just wouldn't be in a good place mentally. When I graduated from college, I actually was having a really hard time getting hired from companies, whether it be because of the wheelchair, because the places weren't accessible. What some people assume is accessible is not always really accessible. That's one of the challenges you face because the world, unfortunately, is not made for wheelchairs. My mom, I do remember, always said is it's important to kind of know yourself for yourself. And this is not just in the physical aspect, just all aspects. Like when I look in the mirror, I have to be happy about who I see. And as long as I'm happy who I see, when I go out in the world, it doesn't really matter what someone says, what someone does, because I know who I am. Beauty comes in so many different forms. And I want everybody to understand there's always some beauty aspect to you. The first time I ever went into Sephora was at age 12. I want to play with everything that's in the store and figure out like what your makeup look is going to be. It's kind of like you just went into this little fantasy world in a way. That's one of the reasons why I love Sephora, and I do love being able to play with the perfumes, the different colors. It's just invigorating, I guess is the right word to describe that feeling. I do try to find that one makeup product that will make my makeup kind of pop. Like today I'm wearing eyeliner to kind of showcase another idea of beauty that maybe other people didn't see. Even though I didn't have that, I want to be that for someone else. I feel like a lot of people would be very surprised that I do so many things independently. I live on my own, I drive on my own, I own a business. I always had a love for thrifting, but I didn't really twist it into an actual business until I went to college and I discovered like there's people that actually don't know how to thrift. That's what kind of birthed Golden Rags. It just started as a hobby, turned into a love, turned into a business. I just was my organic self to get here. I didn't have to change who I was, how I looked, what I did. You can be you and still get where you need to be. I got here just by being me.